Okay, now let's talk about pie charts. So pie charts actually are one of the favorite charts that I have in Excel because it's a really nice way to show several parts that make up the whole. Okay, so for example, a product cost breakdown, a margin breakdown, or for our specific example, the market share of different companies. And the beautiful thing with this one is it's just so easy to see on which one or which company has the biggest slice of the pie or the biggest market share. And over here is our data on what we will be using for our pie chart. Okay, so let me just select the chart. Let's delete this. Let's select the table. Let's go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Let's go to All Charts and let's look for the pie chart. Okay, this one's looking good over here. Let's go OK. Right, so we have our market share pie chart. Let me just enlarge this a bit. Right, and then let's just right click on the chart and let's have a look at Add Data Labels. And just that, you can see that the percentages now are being shown, right, based on our market share. And then we can also right click on the labels themselves and then select Format. And if you go Format, you can just change the, let's go for some fields. For example, you could just make it, let's say, white over here so that it's more visible. You could also change the text options if you want to give it a different color, right? So it's all up to you on how you want to change the visual settings of your pie chart.